Hey you, and welcome back to Beauty Over 40. It is that time of month again. This month we are doing the breast cancer awareness look. Definitely make sure you check out my girls that are participating in this month's collaboration. I'll have all their information down below and let them know I sent you. And if you'd like to see my look, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, we're going to jump right in. I'm starting off with my lip serum. This lip serum is amazing. Feels really good on the lips. First thing I do when I sit down, because that's going to be the last thing I do. It's my lips, so I want to make sure they are nice and hydrated. And then of course we're going to jump right into our toner. I absolutely love doing this step in my makeup application, followed by my advanced night repair that I so love so much. This serum really preps your skin and really works well with your moisturizer to make sure your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. It also is going to help with pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Guys, I love this stuff and I stand by it. Alright, and then we're going to jump into our moisturizer, which is the Estee Lauder Resilience Multi-Effect. This moisturizer is an all-around great moisturizer, so it's going to help with all signs of aging. It's going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It has SPF and so many other benefits. Alright, after that I'm going into my e.l.f. Putty Primer, which I'm sure you guys know about that. It's a great primer. I just hit pan on this product and I need to re-up. So after that we are going to color correct. I do have some hyperpigmentation around my mouth and I just do not like when I put foundation on top of that and that grayish look just peeks through. Do not like it. So most of the time if I go out, this is the process I do, because I do not like that shading around my mouth. If I'm just running errands, not a big deal. I just throw on some foundation and that'll be that. But if I'm going out anywhere or out in the public, like for work or anything like that, I want to make sure that shading is not around my mouth. And on to my favorite concealer. You guys know I love the Lancome Camo Concealer. I am considering finding something else. So if you guys have any great recommendations for concealer, let me know down below. And I'm just going to fill my brows in with my NYX brow gel, and the color is Espresso. Okay, just filling those in. I like to start at the bottom and then go on top and then connect the two. And I like to clean up with either a foundation or concealer, something that's not as light as my highlighting color underneath my eyes. Alright, so now we're just blending our highlight in. And to contour with, I'm using the 8-in-1, also a Doublewear foundation by Estee Lauder. Okay, and we're just going to press that in the skin as well. After I get that blended in, I'm going to go in and set my highlight. I like to go back with my sponge and press in just to make sure I have no creasing, and then I will set it. And in this container I have my favorite RCMA powder, no color powder, all-time favorite. Use it on my customers as well. Alright, and now we're going in with our Marc Wile eyeshadow primer. Love this primer. I don't use it a lot, but when I do, it gets the job done. It's kinda on the thick side, but it's really tacky. That's what I like about it. I'm just blending that out with my fingers. And I'm going in with the Essentials palette by Vibez. This palette did come in a BoxyCharm. Check your BoxyCharms, guys. Alright, and I'm just grabbing those two colors I mixed together and blending that in my crease. Then I'm just going in with that brownish color by itself just to get a little bit of transition between the two colors. I was getting ready for work this day, guys, so I was on I was on stealth mode trying to make sure I was on time for work. So then we're going in with that pink color, and I'm just going to press, not swipe. Press that into my lid. The more color you want to make sure you are pressing that color in and not swiping it. If you're swiping it, you're just getting a wash of color. If you press, you're getting a more opaque outcome. Alright, and I'm going to go in with these two colors because I don't want it like completely black, so I'm just blending the two together. Just get a nice color that's not too dark. And I'm just blending that on the outer edge of my eye. As you can see, not too dark. And we're just going to put some of that underneath our lash line. This is a must for me because it helps camouflage my wrinkles down there. I always put eyeshadow underneath my lash line. Alright, mascara. This is just a drugstore mascara. And then we're going to go in with some lashes. Lashes, guys, I do have on my website. If you guys are in the market for lashes, definitely check that out, as well as my faux gauges that I sell on my website. Definitely check that out. The link is in the description bar. And my current favorite nude lip is the Crushing by Dream Cosmetics. Have a link down below, as well as a discount code. And that's it, guys. That is my look. That's my look. And if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMAKEUP. Second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty40. And that's it, guys. So remember, until next time, the best makeup you can wear is confidence.